All right. Hey, everybody. Welcome to the very first episode of the AuditCast. I'm going to keep it brief. This is purely an informational, mission-driven episode here. I'm just telling you what we're all about. If you've just stumbled upon us, you heard about it from a friend or Twitter or whatever, just take a listen here and you can kind of see what the purpose of this podcast and website and Twitter account handle and everything is. So what I'm trying to do is put some information out there in easily digestible format, i.e. a podcast, for up-and-coming public accountants, whether that's people just graduating from college or still in college, or folks in their first couple of years of public accounting or whatever. But essentially, there's going to be a series of episodes that there'll be a heavy focus on specific audit topics. So cash, PP&E, debt, the standard stuff, AP, search for unrecorded liabilities, inventory counting, things like that that I want to give you a quick spiel on how to audit those areas in the briefest form, because every company is a little different. So I can't get into report names or specifics or how to select your unique IDs, because I don't know that stuff, right? You're just sitting at your client listening to this right now, and I'm not there with you. So what I will give you is the high-level overview so that you have a roadmap of sorts to back up to when you start getting lost in those spreadsheets or reports or whatever the client gives you. Because I feel like it's really important to have those conversations sometimes with either your senior or your other team members or whatever. However, it's not always practical. You can't always get their time, or you don't feel comfortable asking or whatever. So that's what I'm here for. I want to give you guys that easy to understand, digestible, 10 to 15 minute spiel on various topics that you can just click on every time you need to jump into some testing. So I hope this really helps for that, and I'm really excited to get going. Another thing that beyond that, what I'm hoping to provide is some just general tips about the profession, and these a lot of these will apply to the professional world in general. So if you're in school, let's say, and you're interested in recruiting in the professional world, which I imagine you are, you're in school and you're in a marketing major or whatever, some of this stuff would still apply to you. So if you see a podcast you like, check it out. But the focus will be on accounting majors or econ majors or whoever's going to go into public accounting. So we'll give interview tips, on-campus recruiting tips, just general what those companies and people are looking for, those types of things. So you can check out the list of episodes, but the majority of our episodes will be for the working first and second and third years in public accounting. And so we'll also provide some non-technical podcast on how to maintain relationships or develop relationships. You guys have heard enough about networking, I'm sure, through all your firms, but I'll probably give you a truth about networking podcast, some stuff that I've learned. So I just kind of wanted to give back kind of what I've learned through my years in public accounting, and I think this will really help. So without further ado, go check out an episode and enjoy. Thanks, guys.